Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Raqmedia, your go-to channel for all things tech-related. I'm Ezzadine. Today, we have a common yet frustrating issue to tackle, that Windows can be installed only in GPT Disks Error. Welcome back. By the end of this video, you'll know how to resolve it and get Windows up and running smoothly on your computer. Let's dive right in. First, let's understand what this error means. It typically occurs during the Windows installation process and prevents you from installing Windows on a disk that's not using the GPT GUID Partition Table format. So, what's the solution? The first step is to check your disk format. If it's not already in GPT, you'll need to convert it. Here's how you can do that. You can open Disk Management by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Disk Management. From there, you can convert your disk to GPT. Remember to back up your data before making any changes. Sometimes, the error can also be caused by incorrect BIOS settings. You'll want to make sure your computer is set to boot in UEFI mode, as GPT is commonly associated with UEFI. Alternatively, you can use Command Prompt. This can be a powerful way to resolve that Windows can be installed only in GPT Disks Error if the previous methods haven't worked for you. To get started, you'll need to access Command Prompt during the Windows installation process. Here's how you can do it. When you see the error message "Windows cannot be installed to this disk," the selected disk is not of the GPT partition style, press Shift plus F10 simultaneously. This will open the command prompt. In the command prompt window, type diskpart and press enter. This will open the diskpart utility, which allows you to manage your disk partitions. Now, type list disk and press enter. This command will display a list of all the disks connected to your computer. Identify the disk where you want to install Windows. Note the disk number. Next, select disk X, replace X with the actual disk number you noted, and press enter. Now, type clean and press enter. This command will erase all partitions and data on the selected disk, so make sure you've backed up any important data beforehand. After the disk is cleaned, type Convert GPT and press enter. This will convert the disk to the GPT partition style, which is what you need for Windows installation. Once the conversion is complete, close the command prompt window and proceed with your Windows installation as usual. This method can be highly effective in resolving the error, but it's essential to be cautious and double-check your steps, especially when using the clean command, as it erases all data on the selected disk. And there you have it. You've successfully used Command Prompt to convert your disk to GPT and should now be able to proceed with the Windows installation without encountering the error. If you found this method helpful or have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. We're here to help. If you're still having issues, we can troubleshoot further using command prompt. There are a few commands that can help resolve common problems related to this error. If none of the methods we've covered so far work for you, it might be time to seek professional help. There could be hardware issues or other complications beyond what we've discussed. Alright, we've covered a lot in this video, and I hope you now have a better understanding of how to fix the Windows can be installed only in GPT Disks Error. Remember, patience is key, and if you're unsure about any step, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional. Thank you for tuning in to Raqmedia today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with this error, please leave a comment below. I'm Ezzadine. Until next time, stay tech savvy. Tata.